In this video, we're going to show you a super effective buy-sell signal indicator strategy that is overlooked by the majority of traders. Not knowing this mind-blowing indicators setup will likely get you on the wrong side. Moreover, we will prove the power of this strategy by testing it 100 times and disclosing its major operating metrics. This buy-sell signal system performs well on various time frames and different asset classes, including forex, crypto, options, and stocks. During this video, we also will show you how you can access our top-notch private indicator, known as Quant algo. This algo tells you when to buy and when to sell, giving you an insane advantage over other traders. Without further ado, let's add the first indicator, which helps us define bullish and bearish market conditions. Open the Indicators tab, type JFD Adaptive, and add the following indicator. Before we adopt the indicator's settings for our purposes, let's dive deeper into how the indicator works. Also, open the Style tab and turn off the following points. So, when the JFD adaptive line changes its color to green, we receive a confirmation about uptrend market conditions, meaning that we focus on long trades only. At the same time, when we receive a red JFD adaptive line, this means we're currently in a downtrend, so we take short trades solely. Now, let's open the settings menu and change AMA period to 12 as well as slow end to 25, so that we can track the longer trends. Still, we need to add the indicator, which will give us buy and sell signals, so that let's move on to the next step. Before we continue, if you want to support our channel and all this hard work by our team, smash that like and subscribe button. It takes just a second. In the next step, go to the Indicators tab, type Beekstrender, and click on this one. First, let's consider the indicator's foundations and then optimize its settings. Also, turn off these points in the Style tab to make our chart cleaner. So, this indicator will directly influence our bias, issuing buy and sell signals. With that, we want to see a green bar with a bright shade along the bottom, as this indicates an increasing momentum. And more importantly, we should spot a green dot as well. This dot should be near or above the zero level to issue a valid long signal. Note that the JFD adaptive line must be green when we receive a buy signal. Exactly the opposite works for shorts. We need to spot a dull red bar along the bottom with a red dot, which must be near or below the zero threshold. At this point, open the settings of the indicator, adjust short L1 to 6, increase long L1 to 21, and increase long L2 to 20. So, let's move on to our last yet very meaningful confirmation indicator. Before we continue, we want to recommend to you our trusted and transparent broker, known as AAAFX. This broker offers the fastest trade execution with near zero spreads and institutional grade liquidity. You can trade various forex pairs, global indexes, the world's major blue chip stocks, major cryptos, and major commodities with solid leverage and fast execution. All you need to do is go to the Fund tab, set your preferred amount, and deposit funds with over 12 available payment methods. Furthermore, AAAFX services are integrated with ZulaTrade, which allows traders to copy trade from ZulaTrade master accounts directly to your account. Finally, this broker offers a multiplicity of trading platforms, including MT4, MT5, and ACT Trader. So, click the link in the description to check it out. Finally, open the Indicators tab and type Squeeze Momentum MTF. Then, choose this indicator created by Lupone. Next, open the settings, and change fixed TF1 to 2 hours, and disable the following points. Before we adjust other variables, let's take a look at our final confirmation. With that being said, in addition to the foregoing trading conditions, the indicator's area should have a bright green color and the indicator's line should also have a brighter shade. This confirms that we have a fresh bullish momentum, which is backed by a higher time frame component. When it comes to the bearish case, we must spot a bright red area along the bottom, with the line being bright red as well. Next, open the indicator's settings and increase the SQZ length to 23. At this point, let's move on and put all this together, considering live examples and backtesting this strategy. Here's Shiba Coin, a 5-minute time frame. As you can see, the JFD adaptive line is green right here, meaning that we have a bullish bias and can move on to the next step. Then, the Beek-Strender bar is also bright green and the green dot appears above the 0 level. Finally, the squeeze momentum indicator shows a bright green area along the bottom, with the indicator line being bright green as well. We enter the trade on this candle, placing the stop loss below the recent low and placing the take profit at 1.5 for 1 risk to reward. Boom, the price hit take profit easily. Also, we received another winning trade right here. Moving on to the short case. Here's gold, a 5-minute time frame. First, we have a red JFD adaptive line, which indicates bearish bias. Second, we have a dull red Beek-Strender bar along the bottom, and more importantly, we have a red dot, which is below the 0 level. Lastly, the squeeze momentum indicator shows a bright red area and the indicator's line is also bright red. So, we enter the trade here, with stop loss above the recent high and targeting 1.5 for 1 risk to reward. Also note that you can set stop loss at the JFD adaptive line if the recent swing high or low is too far from the price. Boom, take profit smashed. At the moment, let's test this buy sell signal strategy 100 times on the Bitcoin, a 5-minute time frame, and evaluate the findings. After 100 trades, the win rate stood at 70%, which is a very good number. As you can note, we have 2 horizontal periods on our equity curve. Basically, we had a heavily ranging market during that period, so that the strategy's performance was limited. But then, we got a perfect gain. As a result, our account size would theoretically grow by about 330%, which is perceived to be a solid number. Let's say you begin with $1,000 in initial equity. This strategy will generate a net capital gain of around $3,319 after 100 trades. Also, those 100 trades were found in about 1.5 months. Before we continue, we want to share with you our top private indicator, Quant algo, which can be used in combination with previously discussed indicators or on its own. This high-quality algorithm, which combines complex trading processes to tell you when to buy and when to sell, was developed to enhance your trading experience. You can use it on any time frame for different asset classes. So, if you want to access Quant algo to get results fast, all links will be in the description and the comment section below. Without this algo will put you at a disadvantage. Next, the strategy has a profit factor of 3.5. Pointing to outstanding profitability. Let's turn our attention to crucial risk metrics. We faced 10 consecutive pluses against 3 losing trades in a row during backtest, translating into a 3.33 win-loss ratio. Also, we experienced a max drawdown of 6.9%. So, here is a spreadsheet with backtested strategies, and this one holds 6th place in terms of win rate and 5th place in terms of account growth. With that, feel free to try this indicator setup in your trading. So if you are enjoying the video, leave a like on it and subscribe to our channel, as it always motivates us to release more new content more often. Thanks for your time, and I'll see you in the next video.